Hello and welcome to another video, something a little different this time. This is a cool little thing. It's a late 70s Puch Magnum X dirt bike, child's dirt bike. I think this was aimed at sort of 6 to 10 year olds, something like that. I don't know, but it's been parked in a barn for quite a number of years. We got it and we've done a few things to it. We've replaced the spark plug cap, new fuel tap, fresh fuel premix fuel, and now it starts rides as it should do. It's a mostly original little thing. It's been painted green, the tank at some stage. It would have originally been white tank with some colourful sort of Puch decals. Just replaced the fenders, they're aftermarket reproduction front and rear fenders, specifically for this bike obviously, and a front number board. The bike itself now is in mechanically it's very good. Everything works properly, the front brake, back brake does exactly what it's supposed to do, rides properly. I mean, I'm over 13 stone and it'll haul me about. I've been riding it around the yard. It's a nice little thing. It's just simply cosmetically challenged, so if you want to stick your little kid on it and use it as it is, you can do so, or I'll take it to the next level and restore it to how it would have looked back in the 70s. Either way, it's your choice, but lovely little bike, just in time for Christmas. Let's see if we can start to see if we can get a run in. Hold it in one hand. But it is exactly it runs lovely. Obviously this is just a twist and go, centrifugal clutch, no gears, get on it, start it, idle now, obviously it's not pulling away, it's just sitting there, give it a bit of, off it goes. Turn the petrol on, that helps. There we are, lovely little thing. Thanks for watching.